Cambridge have left us, and here go the Oxford crew. Ladies and gentlemen, I've told you a little bit about presentation on the state boats, that's great. Oxford certainly have got off to the faster start here.
Come on, Oxford!
Very essential that Cambridge stay with them, of course. Oxford will have the benefit of the first Middlesex bend. And Cambridge cannot afford to let them get clear. So they're going to stay with them and then take it back. The Oxford have made a terrific start here. Oxford already have something like half a length, so absolutely crucial for Cambridge to take that back a little and stay with Oxford around the outside of the first bend, the Middlesex bend, as they go past the Fulham Wall and Craven Cottage. Oxford still have a half-length advantage. They got away to a tremendous start. So Cambridge are coming back a little. I would say the lead is down from half a length to maybe a quarter of a length. This is good from Cambridge. They needed to stay with Oxford. Cambridge have certainly reduced the Oxford lead quite noticeably. It's probably no more than a canvas now. This is a great effort for Cambridge. Absolutely essential for them to do this. Quite extraordinary during the middle of the boat race. You were very, very warm. Now they are suddenly very, very cold. Obviously they haven't got any of their warm-up gear with them. They would have really got cold out there. And they've got to start all over. With just 3 minutes to go is an incredible race. I'll tell you one record will be broken. This will be the slowest boat race in history. But that's no fault of the two crews. I can tell you the BBC are now chatting with Matthew Pinson, who of course is the assistant umpire to John Carrott.